They're doing a little fireworks thing here. When I say little, I mean little. You know, this is the 4th of July. People came out. And, you know, everybody's sitting in their vehicle. And let's see what these guys are all about. Like I said, you got to check out Big Mel at ATL. He got the real deal. This is just a little neighborhood joint right here. So far, I'm not excited with their first one. But it is what it is with this Corona junk. So we just sit and wait. See what they're all about. I don't know if it's the one they set off. I don't know if I'm ready or if it's a test, but I wasn't impressed.
Oh man, I can't go live.
So maybe later on or whatever they doing, maybe it'll be better.
Papers right there.
So let's see what these people's all about. That's what they got. And they think they hot shit. If you people need a good fireworks show, his price is reasonable. Check out Big Mel at ATL. Contact him. I mean, he's the real deal. Right now, this is a neighborhood thing. I just hope they know what they're doing and they don't set my vehicle on fire.
Okay, so you're talking through yours? Because I'm about to go live on mine too.
I'm here checking this out, and everybody, I want you to go over to Princess AGTV. Check her out. Also, a good friend of ours, King and Shay. Life with King and Shay. Go check them out too. La da dee da da da. La da dee da da da. I am bored and the audience is bored too.
Stop
Do
talking.
something.
Don't talk. Because I'm about to go.
And here they go. I guess I gotta open my window. Got my wipers on. So much. It's full of something. These guys are amateurs. They are so much of amateurs. amateurs. I could have done better than this. I can't even see this goddamn thing. Amateurs. Folks,
What are these amateurs?
I apologize for this shit. These guys, I swear to God. Look, I'm hearing it. I can't see it. You can't see it.
I can see
When
it.
I say, okay, this is the view of these fucking idiots. Excuse my language. This is supposed to be a fireworks show. And instead of having a electrical system, they're lighting the shit themselves.
Because they amateurs.
This is some backyard shit.
They bought all these.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at them. Delay.
Did they light all this stuff?
They almost fucking finished. They ain't even do shit.
Talking so loud, their voice is scary. He's so loud, y'all.
Yo, look at them.
They done.
I should fucking drive my vehicle up there and crash into that shit. You'll get more excitement. Look at them. La da dee da da
Over there, they probably
da.
got better fireworks over there than that place over there.
Yeah, I'm hearing fireworks somewhere else that's constantly going off. These guys, look at them. I hope your lighter runs out of fuel.
Hey, baby, your voice is carrying. There's a truck over there.
Man, I don't give a flying hoot. They are amateurs. This is supposed to be a fireworks show.
Alright, I'm stopping my video.
Look. Princess AGTV stopped her video because it's just bullshit.
I wish it turned around backwards. I'll just save it. Save. Total view. I have one view. Somebody watched. One view watched.
Look at these guys, folks. Amateurs. And they on grass. What if one of them things tip over? We have about 20 vehicles over here watching them. 20, yeah. He's lighting. And this is this is exciting to the rest of the people.
We decided
here.
to come here to watch the fireworks show. At this place, we should have went to the there, but
you know what's so exciting, people? It's more fun watching them lighting it than it exploding.
This is our first time coming over here.
First time here and the last time here.
Yeah. So you have different people in their cars. We're in our car as well because of the social distancing. But
Come on, son, light it up. There's one more. Wow.
and
There it goes.
alright, I was just testing this out, y'all.
Folks, I will never, ever come back here.
I was just testing Prism out, so that's my very first
When I
ride.
say this is bullshit. Wow.
Hey, what can I say?
Wow.
That's my kids. They loud though.
Okay.
Loud for
What
now.
does loud have to do anything with being excited?
Wow. Ooh. I like fireworks though, but theirs is not the ooh and the ah though.
I like fireworks, but
Yeah.
real fireworks.
Yay.
That was the most excited part right there.
Yay.
They're almost done. And here we go. Wow, they have a double. That was a double. That was the most excited shit I've ever seen. Really? Where the hell is it? I think they're done. Oh, no, he's lighting one more. His light is not working. He's trying. He's trying. Right there, the one that's bending down. There's a couple houses further back that's doing something more exciting than they are. Making them look stupid.
I got some more over there.
Hold on. You don't want to flop this show. I'm showing you this because right across by the lake, they got some other ones going on and they doing good. Come on, son, light it up. That's over on the other side of town. Well, that's by the lake. And this is these guys here. Here comes another one. That's so boring.
Maybe we should have backed up some more.
Back up and go where?
So then we can get a good view.
All right.
Now I can see.
Basically, that's it for them folks.
Anybody watching?
So, I want to wish y'all a happy 4th of July.
I like the way that sounds.
All right. You guys have a good one. Talk to you guys later.
Press the hit button where it says end up there in the corner.
I don't know if anybody was watching that shit.
No, nobody.